This video we are going to see how to make a bird feeder. So this is the one that I have made recently. So the stuff that we need for making this bird feeder are a plastic container, like as you can see here. You can cut the top portion of it if it is too big. A plastic bottle with a lid, screw, a nut, screwdriver, even a smaller one would do. Super glue that I have here, which should be water resistant. You get this in Lowe's or Home Depot. A mesh with some metal cords or this kind of wire. So what you need to do is you have to drill a hole here at the bottom of the center bottom of the container as per the diameter of the screw, and then drill a hole at the center of this cap or the lid of the bottle and insert the screw from the bottom of the plastic container and fix it with a nut here. And then once that is fixed, we have to leave some gap between the screw and the plastic container and twist this wire cord. And then once this is fixed, the next step is to apply glue on the sides of this screw. You can just, so this is the one that I'm using, which you just need to press the red sides of it. Also, we are going to put a little bit glue on the inner side of the container, plastic container, in between the cap or the lid and plastic container, just to make sure that it stays firm and it doesn't move. The next step is to tie a metal cord around the bottle, the lower portion of the bottle, as you can see here. So one end is here, which is twisted, and exactly opposite to it there is the other end which is twisted again, and then there is a separate cord which is tied to both the ends, and then it is twisted at the center of the bottom of the bottle, and then this becomes a loop which we are going to hang the bottle upside down from a tree, as you can see here. Other thing is we have to drill some holes at the bottom or the at the opening of the bottle here, as you can see. So this is 1 hole, 2, 3 and 4. So I have drilled like 4 holes, just close enough to the mouth of the bottle or the opening of the bottle. So these holes are going to drip water out from the bottle. Alright, so we have hung this bird feeder from a tree. As you can see, there are 4 wires that we have attached just to balance it. And when the bird starts sipping water from it, the water will be spilling out from the bottle. As you can see, the bubbles going up. That's how the water will be refilling in the tray. Thanks for watching.